Joining us now is Ted Ellwood. He's the CEO of Peloton Minerals. Good to see you, Ted.
Yep. Good to see you.
All right, so early stage projects in Nevada. Tell us about them.
We've got 3 early stage projects in Nevada. 2 of them are on the newly identified Long Canyon trend, gold trend, and one of them is on the Carlin trend itself. This past year, we were successful in moving all 3 of them forward, and none of them fell off. 2 of them had drill programs, and they're going to have substantially increased drill programs this year. They've demonstrated that they warrant it. And the third one, the youngest one, we were out with a field sampling program. We're finishing a technical report on that right now, which will be published as well, and we'll probably look for a joint venture partner on that sometime this year as well.
Yeah. And what do the drilling results look like so far?
They're early stage, but it's showing strong continuity of the gold in both projects. Actually, one of the projects had 345 feet of continuous mineralization, not necessarily ore grade, but that on the very first hole, when it's above detectable level for that kind of a distance, that's a significant thing. It's something to certainly pay attention to, especially when you're in northern Nevada. So.
The Carlin trend, very famous in Nevada. Long Canyon, more so newly discovered. Is there a sense among, with you and people who operate in the area, that the Long Canyon could be as prolific, maybe?
Yeah, certainly the industry is looking at it that way. The Geologic Society of Nevada has done a lot of work, and they've published the location of where they feel that the trend is. That was discovered a few years ago by a company called Frontier Minerals. They were a Vancouver junior that started out at 25 cents a share, and it got taken over at $14 a share. The total transaction value was $2.3 billion. So it gives you an idea of what those Carlin-style deposits are worth when they're found.
Right.
So now the activity is concentrated on looking up and down that trend, because historically in the Nevada major gold trends, there's been mine after mine after mine that's come about on those new trends. So a new trend on those gold trends. So a new trend is significant, and it's a great place to look for an ore body if you're a company that looks for ore bodies.
Right. And so what are your goals for Peloton Minerals this year? What can investors expect?
This year we expect we're going to have 3 drilling programs going. We also have a project in Montana that a joint venture partner is drilling or handling. So it's going to be an active year with, we expect 3 drilling programs, substantially increased drilling programs in Nevada, and then that 43-101 technical report on the 4th youngest property. And like I say, we'd like to bring in a joint venture partner for that.
43-101 is towards the end of the year, probably be released.
We're hoping it'll be in the first half of the year. So,
okay, the first half. Okay.
Yeah, we've got the data now. It's a matter of just putting it all together.
All right. And investors are always looking for some sort of a differentiator in a company. How do you think you stand out from other similar companies in the gold sector?
One of the things is that we've made the conscious decision just to focus on the exploration phase of the mine life cycle. And by that I mean we really don't have any intention of mining these projects ourselves. The average timeline to production in Canada right now is 15 years from discovery to production, and I know that shareholders have patience, but I don't know if they have that much. So we've done that, and that means basically that we're looking for projects that major mining companies are going to be interested in, because if we're not going to mine them, somebody hopefully would. And so we stick the criteria for projects is just that it has the features that a major mining company would want as we add value to it. So there's that, and then we really take the portfolio approach to exploration, and by that it's similar to standard investment portfolio theory, where you add a certain class of asset to your investment portfolio and add them horizontally, so you're diversifying your risk. And you're increasing your exposure for upside. And when you're looking for a $2.3 billion ore body, it only takes one of them. So.
All right, good luck.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ted. Ted Ellwood, he's the CEO of Peloton Minerals.